What's going on, everybody? So today's video involves doing maneuvers in a helicopter that most would deem the definition of code brown. However, my good buddy Aaron Fitzgerald, who in my opinion is one of the most talented aerobatic helicopter pilots in the world, gave me an opportunity to go out with him and practice his air show routine. Yes, aerobatics in a helicopter. Now, you can't just hop in a typical Robinson R44 and go out and do these maneuvers. Well, technically you could, but you might only get one shot at it, and the end result could be catastrophic. Aaron has been doing this air show routine for several years, and it's done in a very specific type of helicopter that is capable of doing these maneuvers, primarily because of its rotor head system. It's known as a rigid rotor head system, and parts of these helicopter components are literally made out of titanium. The helicopter that we are flying in is a Messerschmitt Bl 105. It was a German helicopter. In fact, it was originally designed as an anti-tank helicopter, but it served a multitude of purposes: search and rescue, news helicopter, and well, now it primarily showcases its capabilities as an air show helicopter. And you'll see some of these maneuvers, which I unfortunately cannot name a majority of them because I just didn't know the names of them. We did a multitude of maneuvers that, if you saw a helicopter doing these type of maneuvers, would make you say, that's not right, something's wrong, why is it doing this? But Aaron, who his skill level is up here, is incredible at mastering energy control and everything to do these type of maneuvers in this Messerschmitt Bl 105. Now, little facts about this helicopter. It is a German helicopter. It is powered by two Allison Rolls-Royce turbine engines, yielding about 810 shaft horsepower. Its top speed is right around 140 knots, and its service ceiling is about 17,000 feet. The capabilities of this helicopter are just mind-blowing. And if you ever get a chance, first, go give Aaron a like and follow on his social media, because he deserves it. But second, if you get a chance to go attend one of the air shows that he performs at, it is absolutely mind-boggling. In fact, I highly advise it, because you see this helicopter doing the things that he does, and he does it with such finesse and perfection every single time that it's really a skill set that is rarely seen in today's aviation world. And for me, I was lucky enough to go out with Aaron during his air show practice session, and he gave me an opportunity to experience firsthand in the cockpit what it is like to do these type of maneuvers. Now, why I'm doing this video is because I unfortunately had a memory card crash or corrupt, and the files I thought were long gone, and it was super disheartening. However, a friend of mine who's amazing at computers and memory card recovery skills was able to recover some of this footage. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to release some of these video clips just to give the audience a perspective in the cockpit what it's like doing some of these maneuvers in a helicopter. And yes, we did go inverted, and you will see we did also a couple of other maneuvers that would just make the average pilot, you know, mind explode, because you're like, a helicopter shouldn't be doing these type of maneuvers. So enough of me talking. Enjoy this video, and like I said, please, if you ever get a chance, or if you've seen it before, go attend one of the air shows that Aaron Fitzgerald is performing at, because arguably it's one of the coolest things you'll ever see a helicopter do. Thank you for watching, and enjoy this video.
Threw it in the house and just sand just
Yeah.
It's called a sport, whatever that was, and they had it at Santa Monica Flight School.
It's probably a light sport of some sort. Yeah, I know, there's a million.
That's what they start you off in, and that's what they recommend. And it's a little more fun than the
He was great. So, he did every maneuver we do, which not everybody does.
You lock in. There's nothing that can't be fixed.
All right, I'm ready.
Got the 500 in the background too,
I
man.
know. It's good looking.